Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. And in this video lecture, we are going to see how to create a not null constraint on a table. So not null constraint is a constraint that does not allow any column or any row in that particular column where that not null is there to have any sort of null value. Okay, so let us see the syntax for that. Create table test1 test column 1 decimal of 20 comma test column 2 big int not null. So this is how we are going to create a simple table with test column 1 and test column 2, where test column 2 is a not null type of column. So a not null column is the one that does not allow to have null values in it. And let us see DESC test1. So this is the test1, and here it says under null, yes, means null values are allowed, and when it says no, it means null values are not allowed, and that is a not null column. So you can even make this particular column as not null after you create the table, and the syntax is very easy. Okay, so if you have already created a table with multiple columns and you want to turn a column into not null, you just say alter table test1 modify test column 1 decimal 20 not null. So I'm just going to go ahead and execute this query, and it has altered the table. And let us see. Yes, both the columns are not null columns now. And I'm simply gonna drop the table because its utility is done and we want to reuse the name. So this is how we can create not null columns at the time of table creation and even after we create the table. So thanks a lot for watching this video lecture. Do let me know if you have any questions, queries or comments about this video lecture. Thanks a lot once again, and I will see you next time.